You've won your judgment. Your attorney has confirmed it. You've identified the debtor's address and employment status, and then the investigation reveals the difficult truth. The debtor appears to have nothing to collect. No real estate, no attachable bank accounts, minimum wage employment with a paycheck protected by exemptions, no significant personal property above state exemption levels. The debtor is, in legal parlance, judgment-proof. This is one of the most frustrating situations in civil judgment enforcement, but it's not necessarily the end of the road. At People Locator Skip Tracing, here's how we counsel clients facing this scenario. First, verify judgment-proof status with professional investigation. Many debtors who appear judgment-proof are not actually judgment-proof. They're simply obscuring their assets. A thorough asset investigation that looks beyond the obvious personal accounts and vehicles may reveal real estate owned in another state, a business interest held in an LLC, assets held in a spouse's name in a community property state, income from a secondary employer or self-employment activity, cryptocurrency holdings, or assets transferred to family members in recent years. Second, consider whether a fraudulent transfer investigation is warranted. If the debtor recently transferred assets to family members, spouses, or business associates for less than fair market value, those transfers may be avoidable under state fraudulent transfer laws. Establishing the transfers and filing a fraudulent conveyance action can reverse those transfers and bring the assets back into reach. Third, if the debtor is genuinely judgment-proof right now, the judgment still has value. It just needs to wait. Circumstances change. People get jobs, inherit money, buy property, and improve their financial situations. A judgment lien on property, even on property the debtor doesn't currently own but may own in the future, continues to attach as they acquire assets in the liened county. Renewing the judgment keeps that legal position alive. Fourth, consider judgment assignment. If the debtor has valuable judgment-proof protections now but the judgment has long-term value, a business interest that should eventually generate cash, real estate that will eventually be sold, there are professional judgment purchasers who may buy the judgment for a discounted lump sum payment today, taking over the collection work. People Locator Skip Tracing helps you distinguish between debtors who truly have nothing and debtors who have successfully hidden what they have. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to place your asset investigation order.